Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Jesse Royal recently announced his upcoming tour of the United States. The tour will kick off on March 21 and will see the Lion Order singer performing at Reggae Rise Up concert in St. Petersburg, Florida. Speaking with E Prime, Jesse Royal shared details on the tour.
We just came off a tour in Europe with Naomi. We're getting ready to head into the States. We're doing East Coast, March, April. And then in April, we actually go West Coast, have a couple of shows with Cypress Hill and some other individuals.
Jesse Royal is also working on his new album and is gearing up to release a new track dubbed Natty Pablo.
We're getting Natty Pablo, which is the next single, ready. You know what I mean? So we're excited about the visuals for Natty Pablo. So that is the next move before the project ready.
This will mark Jesse's second release. There is also his 2019 hit Lion Order, which features his friend TVJ. The project is slated for a summer 2020 release. Jesse Royal recently shared the stage with TVJ at the second staging of the Jamaica Rum Festival that was held over the weekend. Grammy-winning artist Buju Banton has released a new rhythm dubbed Stepper. The 11-track compilation features 10 solo performances from dancehall and reggae acts. The project includes songs by veterans, Deli Ranks, Ghost, Bling Dog, General B, Agent Sasko, and of course, Buju himself on the title track. Now, back in November, Buju Banton released the official video for the track Stepper, which has amassed over 1.6 million views on streaming platform YouTube. The project, which was released by Rock Nation, is currently available for streaming on all music platforms. Now onto the international scene, where as the coronavirus spreads in several countries, the release date for the new James Bond film has been pushed back. In the post shared on social media by the producers of the film, the decision to reschedule the release date for No Time to Die from April to November was made after careful consideration and thorough evaluation of the global theatrical marketplace. The announcement comes days after the founders of two 007 fan sites called on the film studios to delay the release. The new dates are now set for November 12 in the UK and in the United States on November 25.